Yeah, you're good. Just nice and straight. Good. Keep going. That's it. Okay, welcome to another shop talk. Sunday afternoon, couldn't be any more different today than yesterday weather-wise. I have a look at this when I was driving around this morning, sorting stuff out, absolutely flooded everywhere. So pretty bad. For the last couple of days I've been working in the barn, luckily. It's come up that little sort of river, the little inlet he's got, like a little culvert-y thing. It's come up that, isn't it? So I'm really excited today. I am going to be loading a new kiln for the first time. Now I haven't got the proper dryer and the fan system which is going to be mounted. As soon as I get all that sorted, I'll do a bit of an in-depth on this. Any of my patrons, I'll give you an in-depth on there as well, and I'll include some very rough plans. I haven't done detailed plans, but for the patrons you can have it. If people are interested, I will make the plans available for a few quid on Etsy as well. But let's get this loaded for the very, very first time and see how it performs. The oak I'm putting in here, 2 different lots of oak, both been down around about 2 years. I think one of them's 3 years. So a little while ago, someone asked me what I use to seal the ends. So I've just used the PVA. I'll just show you here what I use when I seal the ends. So this is basically leftover emulsion and some cheap PVA, like no nonsense from Screwfix or whatever, just a cheap PVA. Mix that in, and then that is a really good, easy sealer, just on the end grain. Does soak in quite quickly. And that will do the job. I have tried the more expensive stuff, I can't find any difference. The PVA and old emulsion is really good. And the cool thing about using old emulsion, if you've got different logs that you've got different times or whatever, you can change the colour, which is really good. So the PVA is more the bond and the emulsion is the colour. You can work out which log's which as it's going in. So I'm hoping 3 weeks in the kiln is what I'm hoping. I got it to 32 just using 100 watts. That's a 60 watt and that's a 40. And with the dehumidifier on, it's just a small one, the whole thing gets to about 33 quite easily. So I'm really pleased about that. I'll probably put a second heater in there if I need to ramp it up, maybe to kill the bugs and the insects and stuff. Anyway, let's load it up and see how we get on. So that's the first load in the kiln. I'm really happy with all of it. I'm going to do some tests over the next week or so, see how hot it gets. Obviously moisture, I've ordered a little meter from Amazon. I'll do a follow-up video with this once I get everything installed, with all the usual links and everything to make one of these yourself, and I'll obviously keep you updated on how well it works. I'm not really pleased with what I did with the doors. Originally I was going to do 2 doors here with big hinge, then I kind of thought it'd be too heavy because I've made the doors very light construction, as you'll see later on in the video. But to be honest, it's a bit of a pain lifting these on and off. So I may end up with these 2 hinged and this lifting off for now, and then I may change it if it's working well for 2 big hinge doors, because it's just a faff. I don't like spending time on that kind of thing. It's a nice tight fit, but I like things a bit easier than that. So another crazy thing this week. Last week we put up the green oak building again. More videos coming on that once I get it done, but it just looked too high. So I used a forklift truck. It's a bit of a risk, but it worked really well. I used the forklift truck, jacked the thing up, cut the bottom off and lowered it back down, re-drilled it. So here's a quick crazy video of that. The end one on?
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks so much for watching as always. I'll speak to you on the next one. Bye.